Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to fix payment decline in Etoro. This should be a very simple video, so make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can get the full information. Now as for Etoro, when the decline error shows to you, it's literally could be either from your side or their side. So the first thing that I highly recommend you guys is to check if it is anything from their side by going to Etoro service status, and this will give you all information needed so you can literally decide if you have to go and find a solution by yourself or simply wait for them so they can repair the problem. As you can see here, this is a website that shows you the system, how it operates, and if there is any problems. So you can check here if there is any problem, and you will notice here that there will be like feedbacks and comments about what the problem actually is. So in case there was a problem, simply just wait. It is from their side and you need to wait for them to fix it. The second thing is in case it was from your side, it wasn't from there. So the first thing to do is to actually make sure to verify your credit card, or basically the payment method that you're using. The payment method that you are using is actually going to affect a lot the way that you are going to get this message. So let's go and log into my account real quick so I can show you first of all the different payment method that exists in this platform. So there are several ones, so let me just show you here real quick. So when you try to deposit funds, they will give you like several ones. They will accept Square, Nettler, bank transfer, and credit debit card. First thing, make sure to put correct information. This is pretty much basic, but a lot of people mistake like few numbers or one number, and that number will cause this message to be failing, or basically the process to be failing. The second thing is to have enough funds, because you're not only supporting $100,000, you are actually supporting fees and other things. And especially if you were having another or different currency, then you will need to actually have more money so you can literally fund the $1,000. Maybe the currency exchange in the market isn't the same in Etoro, so always have enough funds for your card so the process or the deposits can go through. And yeah, that was it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.